To spend.
Spend, spent, spent.
Spend means to give money to pay for goods and services.
Spend also means to pass time in a particular way or place.
He spends a lot of time waiting for people to spend money on his books.
She bought 2 books and spent money on them last week when he spent time sitting in a shop. She spent a lot more than planned. She didn't spend her own money, she spent his.
She spends money every time she parks because she doesn't want to get a fine.
He wants her to spend money to cross a bridge.
She refuses to spend money to cross a bridge.
She has spent too much money on planes recently. She'd rather spend money on a coach. She will spend 6 hours behind the wheel. Her friends will spend $50 each for this shopping trip.
He spent a long time choosing vegetables, but didn't spend much money.
Her big sister spent hours with her until she was confident enough to spend time skiing alone. After spending 10 hours and $100 learning to ski,
She can spend time skiing alone now.
they have spent thousands of hours together creating new material in context.